Hi everyone, it's Jennifer with Froggywentaknitting, and I have for you day number 7 in the Halloween Advent. And so, well, here is day number 7, and let's take a look. I'm excited. And, oh, look at that one. That's got froggy vibes. Also makes me think of somebody else I know named Mad Mimi. Laura. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay. And then we have the Lather box. And here we go. It should be like our sticker we got yesterday. And it is. Here it is. Get it to not reflect. There it is. So, what I'm going to do, yesterday I showed you the Lather yarn. And today, I'm going to show you the Lather stitch markers. So, here are the stitch markers we've gotten from Lather. And there we go. Here's the stitch markers. There they are. They're pretty awesome. And here are the yarns from Paw Ply Yarns. Aren't they fantastic? I love them. I do. You know I do. So, I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm enjoying this. This is just exciting. So, stay safe, be kind to one another, and always happy yarning. Bye now.